Hey guys, and this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are on ADEX Bitcoin. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. So I am located on this coin because this coin actually has multiple scenarios that can play out. So I did think that due to the fact that Bitcoin still hasn't done anything much, or or Ethereum. I mean, Bitcoin during the night did like $1,000 pump or dump or something like that. It was like a scam week both ways, or how they call those. And Ethereum didn't do much. So now I'm still going to be waiting for Bitcoin to break that 10,500, but the current structure of the Bitcoin and Ethereum in this case, they don't look bad at all, right? So two possible scenarios on this coin. One of them would be too long kind of down here, and this one is actually already a little bit missed, but I'll leave it here just in case if it possibly happens to come all the way down here, because we don't know what Bitcoin is gonna do, like I said, right? So with this one, it's going to be going to have located about a 12% stop loss, right? It's going to be about 12% stop loss, and this time around I cannot go to 10% because I cannot go any higher than this, sadly, right? So I will be putting the first profit target for this one here, and the last profit target, I'm going to put it all the way. In this case, why I say last profit target is a very good reason. Because when you have a structure like this and what you've done here, right, I do not expect to go through this on a first try. I really don't, and it's gonna happen on a really short. I mean, it's really not gonna happen that much or that much often, right? So I do not expect it to go through this resistance on the first try. I have like almost 90% sure or 80% sure that it's gonna be rejected. That's why it's strong enough for me to take the last profit target up here. And if we get a bounce down, like I said, we will probably be refilling our long somewhere around here if this coin is actually gonna be looking good at the time, right? So now for the second possible scenario, right, this one, if it comes back down again, bounces, hits our profit target, we move the stop, and hopefully goes for the next one, right? And this trade would also be looking at 74% gain and 6.R, or on the first profit target it would be actually 2R and 24%, so it's still quite delicious, right? Now the second option, the second one, is gonna be right here, and this one right now it's a little bit less likely because I'm not sure if this is gonna reject on the first try, right? I'm not sure as well if this is gonna reject on the first try, but if it's going to, we at least have a second option to trade at, right? So that we don't miss entire move completely. So when it comes back down again, this is going to be about where our fill spot is going to be located. So basically our first profit target from the previous trade is going to be located for the next entry, or should I say in this case future trade, if the second also plays out. And this time around, wait, I'm gonna put the stop loss just a little bit more aggressive, but not too much. So yes, 11% stop loss, so you can see about 1% less than what we have on the downtrend, right, on the first option. And then this one would have the first profit target right here, right? And again, and this touches and this goes, right? So I'm gonna say if this profit target is then hit. Now, rhetorically speaking, you could have this your only profit target, and I think it would be in my best interest to have this as a one profit target. I would just collect 3.6R or 40% move on the entire coin, and I wouldn't go for the second profit target, right? But if we really wanted the second profit target, right, I really wanted if this coin actually dropped some news when we were hanging around here, and it will propel it all the way to the top of this sort of a pump where it was decision. And this is a good reason again for a profit target here, because this was kind of a decision if people are going to move it further up or they're just going to drop it. And as you can see, it conjuncts well together with the middle of this previous structure, which was created before the original way down happened here, right? So in this case, that trade would be 82% or 7.4R, right? It's a really nice two set of trades. Both of them can work out. The only thing that I would like to say here, right, is again, if you only want to play it safe, that's the first profit target, and then we can also go for a refill on the second one. I mean, so yeah, so on the second one, I would suggest again only one profit target, and then you work it from there. Let's see what the kind of price action is going to do or where it's going to take us, right? So yes, guys, if you wish to see more of these videos and everything, right, how we move stop losses, you know, how we adjust them, everything, join us at 4C, the 4C channel on Telegram, right? We have a whole community there. And also, if you wish to see more of these videos, please subscribe the button, punch the bell button, right? And yeah, I guess we will be seeing each other on the next one.